The worst moment in any product launch is publishing something you worked on for weeks and hearing nothing. No sales, no responses, no acknowledgement that the thing you built even exists. Just silence, followed by the slow realization that the audience you needed was not there when you needed it. Most creators experience this at least once. Many experience it repeatedly, and most draw the wrong conclusion. That the product was wrong, or the timing was off, or that they simply are not good enough at this. The real problem is almost never the product. It is the sequence. Launching before building an audience is building a stage before selling tickets. The performance happens. Nobody comes. The solution is demand first launching, building a waitlist of interested people before the product exists. Not a large audience, not a famous name. Just a specific group of people who have explicitly raised their hand and said they want this. AI makes building that waitlist achievable weeks before launch day and turns your first day on sale into your most exciting day rather than your most disappointing one. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why a waitlist changes everything. A waitlist does 3 things that a cold launch cannot replicate. It validates demand before you invest full production effort. If you cannot get 100 people to say they are interested before you finish building, the market is telling you something important before it costs you everything to find out. It creates a qualified audience for launch day. The person who joined your waitlist 3 weeks before launch has had 3 weeks to become familiar with your name, your content, and your positioning. They are not a cold stranger encountering your product for the first time. They are a warm, engaged, already interested potential buyer. And it creates social proof and urgency at launch. A waitlist of 400 people makes the launch feel like an event rather than a quiet publication. Waitlist members who have been anticipating launch day behave differently from cold visitors. They buy faster, they share more, and they produce the early momentum that platform algorithms reward. Stage 1. The waitlist landing page. The waitlist starts with a landing page. And the landing page has one job. It must answer the question every visitor is silently asking, is this for me? And is it worth giving my email address for? Give Claude your product concept, your target audience, and the specific problem the product solves. Ask Claude to write a waitlist landing page with 5 elements. A headline that states the specific transformation the product delivers. Not what the product is, but what it changes for the person who buys it. A 2 to 3 sentence description of who the product is for, specific enough that your ideal buyer immediately recognizes themselves and everyone else immediately recognizes they are not the audience. 3 to 5 bullet points stating what waitlist members will receive. Early access, a founding member discount, exclusive content, or any genuine benefit that makes joining the waitlist feel like a smart decision rather than a vague commitment. A single clear call to action. Not sign up for updates. Something specific. Join the waitlist and get 30% off on launch day. And a brief credibility statement, 1 to 2 sentences about why you are the right person to build this product. Not a full biography, just enough to answer the question of whether this person knows what they are talking about. Ask Claude to write 3 headline variations and test them. The headline that generates the most signups from the same traffic becomes your permanent landing page headline. Stage 2. The pre-launch content strategy. A waitlist page with no traffic produces no waitlist. The traffic comes from a deliberate pre-launch content strategy. Ask Claude to design a 4-week pre-launch content plan. 1 piece of content per day for 4 weeks. Each one building interest in the problem your product solves without directly promoting the product itself. The content strategy follows a specific sequence. Week 1 establishes the problem. Content that names and validates the specific challenge your target audience faces. Week 2 creates authority. Content that demonstrates your expertise and perspective on the problem. Week 3 builds anticipation, content that hints at the solution without fully revealing it. Week 4 creates urgency, content that announces the waitlist with a clear deadline and a compelling reason to join before the window closes. Ask Claude to write every piece of content in this plan. Each piece should feel complete and valuable as standalone content, not promotional filler. The audience that finds your problem-framing content useful will find your product launch compelling rather than intrusive. Stage 3. The waitlist. Nurture sequence. Most waitlists collect email addresses and then go silent until launch day. This is a missed opportunity. Every person who joins your waitlist has expressed genuine interest. The time between joining and launch day is the most valuable relationship-building window you have. Used well, it converts interest into anticipation. Ignored, it allows the initial interest to fade. Ask Claude to write a 5-email nurture sequence that delivers genuine value to waitlist members over the weeks before launch. Email 1. The welcome. What they have joined, what to expect, and one genuinely useful piece of content related to the problem your product solves. Email 2. A deeper problem exploration. A story or case study that makes the problem feel more urgent and more relatable. Email 3. A behind-the-scenes preview. A specific look at one element of the product, a feature, a methodology, a sample, that builds tangible anticipation. Email 4. Social proof. Early feedback from beta users, testimonials if available, or evidence that others find the problem as significant as the reader does. Email 5. The launch announcement. The product is live, the price, what is included, and the deadline for the founding member offer. 5 emails. Sent over the weeks before launch. The audience that receives all 5 arrives on launch day, ready to buy, rather than encountering the product cold. Your action plan. Starting today, choose your next product. Build the landing page with Claude today. Launch the waitlist this week, before the product is finished. The first day of building your waitlist is more valuable than the first day of building the product. Demand precedes supply. Audience precedes launch. How many people do you think you could get on a waitlist for your next product in 30 days? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a clear system for never launching to silence again, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.